Hi, this month we're going to be talking about device encryption. Is the data on your mobile phone, your laptop or other portable devices at risk? Should you be encrypting your data, and what does that mean? So I've brought in Rob Morrow, our Senior Technical Specialist, to talk to us about device encryption. So Rob, what is device encryption?
So encryption generally is when you take information or files and you scramble it in such a way so that it's inaccessible or unreadable by somebody who isn't authorised to view it. So if you think about an intelligence agency, for example, they'll quite frequently be working on a case, they'll need to work with their colleagues and transfer information between them. They'll have to encrypt the data to make sure that if it's intercepted by somebody who shouldn't be viewing it, that it's unreadable. So there's two types of encryption. There's encryption at rest and encryption in transit. Encryption at rest is information that's scrambled as it sits statically on a device. And then there's encryption in transit, which is encryption as it moves from one place to another, say, for example, over a network. So device encryption is quite simply encryption of information or information that's scrambled on a device.
So Rob, why do we need device encryption?
Well, when you think about it, we're all carrying around one of these things, or some of us might have a portable USB drive. We've got laptops, we've got tablets. All of these devices are mobile, they're portable, and if they get lost or stolen, it's very easy for somebody who gets access to that device to have access to the information that's also on it.
So even if they don't have my password?
100%, even if they don't have your password. If there are technical things that can be done. The hard drive can be taken out of a laptop and put into another device, or you can boot the device in a particular way that allows anyone with that device to access the information that's on it if it's not encrypted.
So from a company perspective, Rob, how do we implement this?
Well, it depends what they're trying to achieve. So a mobile phone or some tablet devices will be encrypted by default as long as they have a passcode on them. However, laptops and mobile hard drives, for example, they'll require third-party solutions. So I'd really suggest if companies want to put in these types of solutions that they come and have a chat to us and we can help decipher the tech jargon and find the appropriate solution for them.
Thanks, Rob. So there you have it. Reach out to our technical team if you require any further assistance. See you next time for another cyber safety tip.